Welcome back to another video. So today, yes, I know I'm inside. It's a little bit crazy outside at the minute. So aim of the game today, just a little bit of deadheading, a little bit of weeding, some light maintenance, and also a little bit of seed saving as well. So I've got a couple of calendula where I've missed the boat to deadhead them, they've turned to seed, and nasturtium seeds. So never miss an opportunity for next year's gardens. But without further ado, let's get into the video. There we have it. It's a really quick vlog, just a little bit of an update. The caterpillars, they don't get me as angry as the slugs, although you can see what damage they're doing, and I know they're the next big challenge in the garden when it comes to pests. All I'm going to do is going to remove them and put them in the front garden because I quite like them. I quite like the butterflies knocking around. Whether I'll have this attitude in the next, after like 2 weeks of watching them munch my garden, who knows. So anyway, thanks very much for watching if you made it this far, and until next time, I'll see you in the garden.